Usually it takes about maybe 5-10 seconds, so it's not gonna take long. And now we're talking. Hello everyone, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you something important because I've been looking for reliable ways to stake Solana for, I don't know, maybe 5 years. But just not that long ago, I came across something that really impressed me because I put to the test many ways to stake Solana, but most of them turned out to be garbage, okay? But then I came across this. So I just opened this Telegram bot. Here I'm gonna enter start. Okay, now I'm gonna launch this game. Just like that, I'm all set. And yeah, this is a regular Minesweeper game, a very popular one. Okay, for now, I'm gonna enter this seed. Just like that. And yeah, guys, all this is just public data, and this game uses the calculator that is available on the internet. And by the way, all I'm about to show you here is just my personal experience. I don't give financial advice. Keep that in mind, all right? So I'm gonna hit this button, just like that. It's loading. Give me just a sec. It's not gonna take long. Yep. I'm all set. Yeah, there are two options. I'm gonna choose the right one, just like that. So here I see the requirements. So give me just a sec. I'm gonna fix this real quick. I'm gonna go here. Solana, yeah. It's gonna take a few seconds. Give me just a moment. Yep. There we go. Then I go here. I'm gonna choose Solana. This here, then this amount. Just like that. Okay, like that. And it's almost there. And yep, it's done. So, perfect. Now I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna check it out first, okay? So, I'm gonna reload this page. And yep, there it is. So now I'm gonna hit this button. Let's see. And yep, that's what I was talking about. This is a hidden gem, I'll tell you what. So, here's the fun part begins because I'm gonna open every single one that I see, okay? Just like that, but I gotta be careful. I don't want to misclick or something. That's gonna be stupid. And no, everything's fine because I'm totally enjoying this experience. This is huge, guys, and I'm totally loving it, okay? So now's the most important part because I'm gonna send it back here. Just a moment, guys. Yep. It's almost there. So now I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna hit the refresh button just like that. Come on. Usually it takes about maybe 5-10 seconds, so it's not gonna take long. And now we're talking. How about this? This is it, but I'm totally speechless, guys. This is insane, but that's just how it is. So all the details are here. They're available on the internet. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.